Imagine this. You're deep in the Amazon jungle. No roads, no signals, just trees and a single distant buzz. Yes, something you know very well. That's an AI-powered drone. And it's not lost, it's watching. For centuries, the rainforest had no eyes, just ears. And those weren't enough. But now, the trees are watching back. This isn't a sci-fi pitch. It's happening right now. And the results are wild. Every minute, a chunk of the Amazon the size of 3 football fields disappears. Illegal loggers, miners, and wildfires are tearing it apart. It's not just trees. It's carbon sinks, water cycles, entire species, gone. And guess what? Satellites see the damage after it's done. But what if the jungle could fight back in real time? Meet the silent heroes, drones equipped with AI, infrared, and machine learning. These aren't your cousin's DJI Mini. These are jungle smart sentinels. They can detect smoke, hear chainsaws, and spot illegal camps, all from above. Basically, they're flying tattletales, but for good. These drones aren't alone. NGOs like Rainforest Connection and Amazon Watch are using AI to patrol millions of acres. The moment they spot trouble, they ping rangers. In minutes, ground teams can respond, sometimes before a single tree falls. Here's the techie magic. Machine learning algorithms are trained on thousands of images, logging roads, trucks, fire hotspots. They don't just see trees, they understand suspicion. It's like the drone watched CSI Amazon on repeat. AI filters noise, removes false positives, and sends alerts faster than any human could. This is surveillance, but make it eco-friendly. But here's the twist. AI alone can't save the rainforest. It's working hand in hand with indigenous communities, who know the forest better than Google Earth ever will. These partnerships turn tech into power, knowledge into action. And it's not just drones. AI is analyzing forest sounds too, decoding bird calls, monkey chatter, even ultrasonic bat clicks. Turns out, bats have been podcasting about deforestation all along. We just needed subtitles. In Peru, AI drones helped reduce illegal logging by 68% in key zones. In Brazil, AI alerts have helped guide authorities to intercept illegal logging operations, some spanning multiple protected zones. And guess what? Forests do grow back if we give them the chance. These aren't just numbers. They're lives, trees, animals, people, saved because AI saw what we missed. This isn't just about the Amazon. AI is being used in Borneo, Congo, even California's redwoods. From satellites to sensors to swarms of eco-drones, Earth is getting a nervous system, and it's learning fast. If AI ever becomes self-aware, its first words might be, stop cutting trees, palmate whatever. The rainforest now has eyes in the sky. It listens, it learns, it fights back. And behind that tech, people, coders, rangers, communities, and you too. This isn't just about saving trees. It's about rewriting the story, where nature and technology don't clash. They team up. Because maybe the future of the rainforest depends on how well we teach our machines to care. If this moved you even a little, consider sticking around. There's more where this came from, and together we might just help the rainforest fight back.